there isn't a single place on earth you can go where people haven't heard of McDonald's. I mean, seriously, the Kalahari Bushmen are like, Big Mac! It's the only word that doesn't have a click or a pop in it. Not an insult, that is their language, but they know how to say the word Big Mac, and that, they would have no idea what that is. But you're about to, because I made a Big Mac Burrito. It's friggin' amazing. It's not a wrap, it's a burrito. And I'm gonna show you how to make this thing. McDonald's, if you're watching, put this on the menu and give me credit for it. Call it the Bill Mac. Ooh, that's a good one. I like it. All right. Yeah, there we go. Send out the petitions at whatever to get them to put the Bill Mac Burrito on there. Or not. Let's get started. The signature of the Big Mac is the center bun, so we're going to add one. I'm just toasting this up here, and we're going to put that inside the burrito because that's crazy. Now we've got our patties here. Now, the Big Mac uses really, really small patties. These are 3-ounce patties because it's my burrito, and I can make it however I want to. I got some seasoning salt on that, basically. Cook them off about a minute or so on each side. The pan is screaming hot, 550 degrees, something like that. And we're going to give them about another minute, and they are done. All right, we've got everything we need to assemble our Big Mac Burrito. That's still, I don't care how many times I say it, doesn't sound right, but it's going to taste great, and it's going to be fun and crazy, and that's what you tune into this channel for. So let's do this. Oh, that and that sound. I mean, it's what you're here for, right? No. Anyways, sorry. Won't do that again. We got a 12-inch tortilla right here. It's been heated up on the Kamal over there. We've got our 2 all-beef patties. Special sauce, lettuce, cheese, tomato, pickles, onions on a 12-inch tortilla. I think that's how the song went, wasn't it? Yeah, pretty sure. Okay. Assembling a Big Mac is incredibly important. It has changed over the years, but that doesn't mean we have to. So we are going to take some lettuce. We're going to put this down first. I know, it's crazy, but that's the way it's done. So that's the way we do it. Now we got sauce. We don't skimp the sauce because it's a special sauce. Now, the fun thing about the sauce, and I'll just do this real quick, there are 2 great ways to piss off the internet. They are to not put olives on an enchilada or use Thousand Island instead of the Big Mac sauce. Big Mac sauce is not Thousand Island, allegedly. It really isn't. It's got some mustard in it. The color comes from the paprika. You got dill, pickle relish in there, and a little vinegar, and you know, some other stuff. I'll put the list here. Is it here? It's here, isn't it? Did I figure that out? Cool. All right. But yeah, I'll put that there. That's what goes in the burger sauce. Let it sit for a little bit. It turns pink and it does a thing, and it tastes very different than Thousand Island. So don't use Thousand Island. Okay, we got that out of the way. Fine. All right, let's get back to this. We're good. Okay, cool. So you're gonna put some sauce on. You're gonna put some more sauce on. McDonald's has announced they're making changes, by the way. Pickles. In case you were wondering, dill pickles, important. And I'm putting a bunch in here because it's a Big Mac Burrito, not a Big Mac. So there you go. So yeah, McDonald's announced recently, cheese goes next. Oh, sorry, hang on. They announced that they're going to be making all kinds of fun changes. They've updated the algorithm for sesame seed placement on the buns. Yeah, oh my God, finally. Ah! Are you as excited as I am? Yes! The food's still going to suck and still going to cost 30 bucks. But I'm not allowed to say that because did you know that this channel can get in trouble for talking about the economy in a less than optimistic way? Let's just say that. If we mention something like, gee, the price of groceries has gone up, that is misinformation. Did you know that saying that the price of housing has become less affordable than it has in the past, I don't know, 6,000 years? That is misinformation. You're not allowed to say that, and so I'm not. I didn't say that. That's not what I'm saying, but I'm just saying that seems weird, doesn't it? Just saying. In case you were wondering. Okay, we have our 2 all beef patties here. We are putting down these patties just like this. I'm putting it down. See? There you go. That looks amazing, and this is half of our Big Mac, but it's not a Big Mac. unless it has a bun in the middle, right? So we took a bun, we crispied it up a little bit. Now we got more lettuce going. Oh my God, how am I gonna roll this thing? Seriously? This is insane. This is what crazy people do. Okay, more pickles, more sauce. Oh yeah, we can do that. Yeah, the other thing that they're gonna make the Big Mac more appetizing by putting more sauce on it. Because that's what it needed. I mean, forget putting beef on it, right? Have you seen the fruit roll-up thing they have on a Big Mac now? I mean, my God. Anyways, not allowed to say it. That's misinformation, so I didn't say it. I said that McDonald's is the greatest restaurant ever, and their quality hasn't suffered in the slightest bit. Nope. As they're jacking their prices through the roof, they haven't cut back on the quality of their food one iota. Nope. And they didn't jack their prices up, by the way. They just were commensurate with the higher wages everyone's been getting lately because everybody is so rich. Oh my God, it's amazing. I know, I feel it. Don't you? Okay. Onions. We have our, okay, so all right, that happened. Onions. These are the dried minced onions you get in the little shaker thing. Put a little bit of water in that, microwave this for about 20 seconds. These rehydrate. These are what they use on the Big Mac. And it's true, because they announced that they're going to rehydrate them a little earlier when they hit the store now. I don't know what that's going to do, but that's one of the other benefits, and the reason we're going to be paying $18 for a Big Mac. Oh yeah, I may have gone a little too far. This is insane. Let's just try to wrangle this in here if we can. We're going to just wrangle it in. That's what tortillas are great for, and what dogs barking are great for. So if everybody wants to know what happens when you mix a German Shepherd with a Chihuahua, you get a really loud bark all the time. Because Chihuahuas, we all know what Chihuahuas are good for. Biting ankles and barking. German Shepherds, big lung capacity. Really loud Chihuahua, basically. Don't do that, people. Seriously. Okay, this is going on the grill. This video's all over the place. It's a crazy video about a crazy burrito. This is going back on the Kamal. I'm going to grill this thing up really nice, get it nice and toasty and wonderful. And I'll be back here in a second. And then we're going to dig into this and see what we got, because we have a Big Mac Burrito. I've got a 14-inch cast iron Kamal here. I've got a little butter in it. It's screaming hot. We're going to put a little crispy on this burrito because crispy is better. Also helps keep everything warm and melty inside. And basically when it looks like that, it's done. This is it, folks. It either works or it doesn't work. We're about to find out together because I don't know that anyone's ever done this particular thing before. I never checked. That would just discourage me from trying it myself. So I don't, look stuff up. Got this thing. I'm going to eat this thing. We'll find out in about 2 seconds, won't we? Crap. That looks like a Big Mac in a burrito. Sure. That's just a normal thing. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's a Big Mac in a burrito. Okay, I'm going to take the thumbnail super fast, and then I'm biting it. Okay, 1 second. Okay, the long wait is over. At least for me. I mean, what was it, a half second for you? Oh, wait, I had to wait. Oh, come on, people. Grow a pair. We are going to dig into this thing. I had to wait like 2 minutes, okay? Come on. All right. I'm digging into this thing. One last look before it goes bye-bye. That's a Big Mac. That's a burrito. That's a Big Mac Burrito. Holy crap, that's... Okay, they should really put a burrito on the menu, and that should be the Big Mac Burrito. It'd be a huge hit. Wow. Seriously, that is... Oh. Okay, that actually works really good. So if you don't have any buns, or you just have like a piece of bread and you want to put in there or something like that, and you have tortillas galore, because everybody has tortillas, right? You have 12-inch tortillas around. do that with it. Oh man, that is seriously good. That one, I'm looking forward to eating that. Yeah, if you saw the video for the chicken caprese burrito, I didn't get to eat that one. My wife did. She loved it, by the way. Said it was absolutely amazing and not like anything I normally make. So, it just stung a bit. You know, after 30-something years, you get honesty. You hit the honesty phase real quick. Sweats and honesty. That's what you get at 30-plus years. There you go. Marriage advice that you didn't ask for. What else you didn't ask for? It's me rambling on and on and on. So I'm just going to say thanks for watching this video. This thing's friggin' amazing. You should be making this. At least you got to taste it, right? And since they don't make it and you can't come here, you're going to have to make that thing. So watch the video again if you missed anything. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Have a good one. Bye.